Freddy here. We're playing more Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. This one is going to be normal size now. This video. So we're going to be really working on that ocean lullaby, because I didn't know it was going to take me that amount of time to do this. So yeah. Okay, nobody wants to do anything. Okay. Whale? Smoothie? No? So yeah, I need to trade with the what do you call them? Yeah, these people. The people in the trees, the tiki birds. They're luring me in with presents. Okay, hippo jars. Here you go. I need hippo jars. Yes, magical hippopotamus. It's a magical hippopotamus. So how are you guys doing this fine morning? I hope you are having a wonderful day and you had a great breakfast. I had pancakes today. Except it was kind of hard to eat them because we're animatronics and we're robots. But we had to come out of our suits, our souls, and then we just inhabited somebody's body and then we ate it. And then we went back in our suits. Since we're free now, since FNAF 3, we can escape our suits and do something, and then pretty much our suits feel like our home now. So we're gonna have to live inside of our suits. That's why I live in a FNAF costume my entire life. It's kind of sad and boring because you can't really do anything but sit around and other things. Yeah, so what we need to do? I need jellyfish or hippo jars. Hippo jars. Now I need hippo jars. I need them. Plants. Oh my gosh, we fell in a hole. Okay, escape. What just happened? We're stuck. Well, I'm glad I got this on tape. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, that's weird. I'm glad I was recording when this glitch happened. Sorry. No, sorry. It's allergy season. What to do and what to build? Well, we're first gonna need to build that ocean lullaby. And then we have to do whatever Chipper tells me to do next. So, okay, we just need a little bit more hippo jars. Come on, I really need the hippo jars to make this ocean lullaby. And the word of the day today is called, hold on, I'm looking through my mail. Today, the word of the day is gonna be Oliver. Yep, the name of my owl is today's name. Today's word of the day. Where's my creations? Die. Which one? Okay. I would really like it if you were to give me hippo jars, because I need hippo jars, and I also need jellyfish. In the next video, after this video, and before the next video, I'm gonna look up how do you get hippo jars quick in Chipper and Sons currently. Gonna look that up, and we have 9. We just need 1 more. I don't know why I'm looking at this blueprint. Okay, we just need 1 more, and coconuts, more hippo jars. Coconuts are easy, hippo jars are impossible. Okay. You must die, you must die, you must not live anymore. Okay, see, we just got another coconut. But we need the hippo jars more than we need the coconuts. Hey Lumberbot 4.0, how are you doing? Okay, let's go try to trade with the tiki again. Oh, he gave me red lumber. Down we go to the depths of nothingness to get some seaweed, and then we come back up. Hippopotamus coins, yes. Oh yeah, and something I want to do is I want to, whenever I say the word of the day, I want you guys to put that in the comment section. So you can go back to our previous videos and do that. But yeah, sure. That's what we really want about this. Sure, we'll get some rusted saws. We need those anyways for making verses. Okay, sorry, I'm a little tired. Oh, we can talk to the sad toy again. Hi, buddy. He has another minigame. Sure. This is the second time we've played this in this episode. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Come on, set up a trap for me. Thank you. Okay, hippo jars, now, please. Sure, I'll take all of your candle boxes. I don't know why you want to get rid of candle boxes. They're used for plenty of points. Okay, Speaking of points, I think we can make another. Let's build this, because we haven't built one of these before, and they look kind of cool. So we gotta get seagulls. So we gotta trade with him. Okay, let's try to beat this minigame, because I beat it before. I know how it goes. Sorry, I'm really focused. That's why I'm not going to really talk through this. Because we really need to beat this. Oh my goodness. This is why I hate this minigame. I'm giving up. I can't do it. I can't do it. I won't do it. That's why I really want minigame mastery. It's in the shop. Yeah, I really need that. I suck at minigames. Okay, how many wooden seagulls? I think I have 6 wooden seagulls. 6 wooden seagulls. Is that correct? 6 is correct. Okay, kill you. And you're gonna die as well. Mr. Tree Monster. Okay, now we need to get some more. Thank you. We got another sad toy. I don't know what's wrong with people and these sad toys, but how do they even get the sad toys? Destroy. Must destroy you. Okay. Thank you. No, I need to save my wooden seagulls. This is the 3rd time we played this minigame. You just really want us to get ours. Do you know what I think is happening? The game wants us to win and get the Hippo jars because the game is being mean to me and not giving me the Hippo jars. I think it's trying to give me forgiveness. And the only way to grant that forgiveness is to give me the Hippo jars. Give me the Hippo jars. Right now. Hippo? No, Hippo! Ah. This is making me so angry. I can't believe how stressed I am right now. Please trade me with Hippo jars. Please. Here, okay? Oh my goodness. I'm so mad at this game right now. Please, just hand over the Hippo jars. I don't need Lucky Totems. I need Hippo jars. Hey, I can make one of these once I get more Lucky Totems. Oh my goodness, so upsetting. Hey, why can't I make this thing? Okay, let's just go make it. Yeah, first let's go on a sea adventure. I need to read all this. You may get tired of these trips, but treasure hunting is the most reliable way to find what you need. Out there in the forest, it's all up to dumb luck. When you're in the sea, you make up your own luck. Hey, are you awake back there? And here we go, down under the water again. He needs to actually get a boat, like thing, a pedal for the boat. What do you call them? And we got a big Bruce head. I do not know why we need Bruce heads, but sure. Okay. Can somebody just give me a Hippo jar? I need the Hippo jar. I need it. See, I only have 6 Hippo jars. Hippo, no. See, it's not giving me the Hippo jars. I don't need having Bill. This game is so mean to me. We need to make another. Something. Sure, let's build another 4.0. That was a lot of points. Okay, now we can finish the day. Okay, blah 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 blah. We got an acre line. Yay! I don't know what we're gonna do with all these acres. And I heard that this game has a very sad ending. Sad and strange ending. And I can't wait to see it on the channel. Okay. Thank you for the termite coins. I'll fall into the endless pit of nothingness. Thank you. What are we at now? I think we're at 8. Alright, okay. I just need 2 more. Okay, let's go check out this shop first. Let's buy another tree sap, diamond sap, and let's get some more mushrooms. Swamp mushies. They do have a strange name. Swamp mushies? Okay. Okay, we got 78. Sure, let's buy this, because we didn't buy it last time. Let's go spend our money. Okay, let's just buy swamp mushies. Okay. Now, what are we at from swamp mushies? How close are we to making the father tree? Okay, we're right on the spot for father tree. Fungal Wonder. Tribal Throne. We can't make a tribal throne. Oh my goodness. Give me Hippo jars. Hippo jars! How many do we get? money. We need one more. This feels so painful. We need one more Hippo jar. So this is where I'm gonna end off here today, guys. So I hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications button to see all my videos when they come out. And finally, last but not least, hit the like button to make this video very, very good. So, bye-bye. I'll make one more video trying to get the last Hippo jar. Goodbye.